Now come one by one. Expenses. Expenses simply means when I've written expenses or anybody saying expenses, it indicate revenue expenses. Revenue expenses means repetitive expenses like wages, salary, rent, advertisement, like this. These are the, when I say expense means simply it's a revenue expense like wages, repetitive expenses which are repetitive in nature. Income means when sale of goods compare with the cost of goods sold, then it is called income. Income means when the sales of goods exceed the cost of goods sold, then it is called income. Suppose goods is sold for rupees 3 lakhs, whose cost is 2,80,000. So 20,000 is your income. Amount received from the sale of goods or services minus cost of goods sold. Amount received from the sale of goods or services of a particular accounting period minus cost of goods sold is called income. So amount received from the sale of goods or services, when it is compared, when it is going to match with the cost of goods sold or cost of manufacture or cost of production, then it is called income. Now what is profit? Profit means total revenue income of the business minus compared with the total revenue expenses. Of a particular accounting period. Total revenue income of the business, when it is compared with the total revenue expense of a particular accounting period, if it is exceed, then it is called profit. And if the total revenue income is more, total revenue expenses, here just modify, going to total revenue incomes and gains. When it is compared with the total revenue expenses and losses, then it is profit, not to loss. When the total revenue expenses and losses increase is more than the total revenue incomes or gains, then it is a loss. Loss, it may be termed as loss by accident. Accident is also called loss. Loss by theft is also called loss. Lost by theft. Loss by fire. Fire is also called loss. Loss by fire. Bad debts is also a loss. No benefits is derived from anything, any expenditure, no benefits is derived, then it is a loss. Loss by accident, loss by fire, loss by theft, bad debts, these are the losses. Okay, so loss may be termed as one in this way and another way the loss is also in this way. So losses, total revenue expense and losses minus total revenue incomes and gains, when it is exceed, then it is called loss of a business of a particular accounting period. It is called loss. Loss is also considered as loss by theft, loss by accident, loss by fire, bad debts. Means no benefit is derived from the expenditure or amount incurred by you. No benefits is derived. So profit and loss. Profit, just opposite of profit, it is loss. Now what is gain? Gain means when amount is earned from a particular transactions or event, then it is called gain. When the amount is earned from a particular transactions or event, then it is called gain. Suppose sale of building for rupees 5 lakhs, whose book value is 4,30,000, whose book value is 4,30,000. So the book value is 4,30,000 and it is sold for rupees 5 lakhs, whose book value is less than that, it is 4,30,000. So the excess amount 70,000 is called gain on sale of building. Gain on sale of building. So if there is any amount earned by the sale of one particular event or transactions, then it is called gain. Gain is related to particular effect of a particular transaction in terms of profit. It is called gain. Sale of old motor car. Suppose the value of old motor car, book value of old motor car is 1 lakh and it is sold for 1,50,000. So 50,000, which is the extra amount you have taken from the buyer, it is your gain. Gain on sale of motor car. Gain on sale of motor car. Similarly, investment, cost of investment is 80,000 and this investment you have sold in the market, sold it at rupees 1,10,000. So 30,000 extra is your gain on sale of investment. Gain on sale of investment 30,000. Okay.